thank you for watching Eating Dreams TV. Yeah, we eat different.
Going with our mushrooms first because a lot of people don't eat mushrooms. So that way, if people don't eat them, we can have them on the side. For people like me who do eat them, I can just go ahead and stick them in there. We're gonna season these up real good too. We got them seasoned up, just mix them up real good. And just let them saute until they're ready to go. If you have to add a little bit more oil, you can do that as well. All right, they're looking beautiful. At this point, just want to taste it, see if we need add anything to it before we take them out. Oh no, those are delicious. Take them out. Now in our hot pan, gonna add a little bit more oil. That flavor from the mushrooms is still gonna be in there. We're gonna go down with our steaks. They're seasoned with some steakhouse seasoning. Once we get them searing on one side, we'll start to season the other side. So they'll be seasoned on both sides. All right, once we got it nice and brown and crusty on one side, we don't want to overcook these because we're gonna cook them some more when we do our stroganoff. That's what we want right there, that nice pretty brown sear. We're just gonna flip them. Let the other side get nice and crispy. And then we're gonna let them rest and keep the juice in them, and then we'll cut them later when we add them back into the stroganoff. Oh yeah, baby. Now we're gonna take these out to rest. Gonna let them rest. Look how beautiful those are, man. Just gonna let them rest. Okay. Now, we're gonna be glazed with a little Worcestershire. We're gonna go in with our ground beef. First, onions and bells. And then mix that around a little bit. Put all that great flavor down there. Ooh, Lord, I know. Seasoned ground beef. And we're putting the seasoned side down so we can season the other side while it's in the pan. Got to season both sides every time. All right, let's get it. Now we got both sides seasoned. We just go ahead and start mixing it all together, letting it brown up real good together with some seasoning. All right, so we drain that meat, and now we're gonna go in with some pasta sauce, just a little bit there. And we're gonna season that with some garlic and some Italian seasoning and some black pepper. All right, now go back in with that steak. That steak, that rare steak. Oh man, it's so rare, tender, and juicy. Now this is a beef stroganoff because you got a bunch of beef, baby. Look at that. Oh man, all different types of cuts. About to be delicious. Now we're going with the beef stock. Yes, sir. Mix that up really good. All right, now we got a little flour slurry. We're gonna put in to thicken this bad boy up. And we got some carrots. Chop them pretty thick so that they won't overcook. Take that little nasty piece out. give it a good mix. And we're gonna cover it and let it simmer until the beef is just super, super, super tender. Oh my God, look at this guy. All right, now we're going with some cream cheese. Look at that. Woo, Lord, how much? Some sour cream. Yes, sir. Ooh, Lord, have mercy. Some salted water at a whirling board. About to go in with these egg noodles. And we're going in with the small ones, not the big old egg noodles. A little twist on things. As we got these twisted up noodles going in. Yes, sir. We're gonna add a little butter and then we're gonna plate. And a little bit of mustard. Now we just mix it all together. Let it cook. All right. Now look at this. And we might as well take the big spoon, right? Go in right in there and get, ooh wee, them buttered noodles. Right in there. Right up in there. That's the last of the Mohicans, baby. Oh yeah, babe. Look at that right there. Take that, put that right down in the bowl. Take a little bit more of that sizzle. Put that right over the top. Take some of the mushrooms we did earlier. Put them right up in there. Look how good those look, guys. Now we're gonna finish it off with a little bit of cheese. It's time to enjoy.
Thank you for watching Eden Dreams TV.